Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shailesh. I am from Maharashtra. I am here to improve my English because my English is little good, but I am not a fluent. I am here to speak speak English and improve my English. So therefore, I will fluent in English. I come to shoot. I come to agriculture to shoot video because in home there is lot of noise. Therefore, I come to agriculture. Here you can see greenery is in village. There are all greenery space, trees, bananas. You can see lot of greenery here. So just build. I want to build my English. I want to record my journey in front of camera, so I improve my English more than just. I have to improve my English because I want to speak English in front of peoples and friends, because English is a language we need, and job or communication skills we have to build English. So I am recorded my journey on YouTube. So keep. I understand English, but I can't speak. I read. I can watch. I watch movies to learn English, but in in speaking, I am I fear and not speak well. So therefore, I want to speak in front of camera. So I therefore I improve my confidence in English. So keep in English about speaking. When you speak more and more practice, you will confident. You satisfy, because confidence is more important in English when speaking. I speak in mirror 3-4 minutes. I improve a little, but I want to fluent in English. So therefore, you can see I get stuck in English when I speak in front of camera. I want to confident in English. Don't want to fear when I speak. So please keep follow my journey, subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.